My goodness. It was so hard to find the resources and get inside the factory of dairy milk, but today I'm so happy that I finally did it. Yeah, I'm gonna share it all with you. You excited? Why wouldn't you? It's your favorite chocolate bar after all. From biting directly into the chocolate bar to pouring it in several desserts, it's been the topmost choice of sweet freaks and best quality cocoa. And these countries have these conditions that make it ideal for growing high-quality cocoa beans. Whoa, look at that beauty though. When it's time for automated milking, they trick these cows with their daily dose of entertainment, like roaming and feeding right from the heart of lush green pastures. Now the machines work in a smooth, gentle way that keeps the cows comfortable while collecting the milk. The collected milk is then pumped into storage tanks, where it stays fresh and untouched until it reaches the dedicated factories. Cadbury dairy milk uses both sugarcane and sugar beet as sources of sugar in its products. So, the choice between these two sources is often influenced by regional availability, environmental factors, and cost considerations. Around 80% of sugar production comes from sugarcane, which thrives in tropical climates, while the remaining 20% comes from sugar beets, cultivated in cooler regions. While sugarcane tends to caramelize better and offers a slightly fruity aroma, sugar beet can have an earthy note. And the blend of both the sugar forms gives that ultimate sweetness and aroma we all experience in dairy milk chocolate. It's amazing to see how raw ingredients turn into creamy, rich chocolate when the chocolate mass is placed in a special machine that gently heats and stirs it for hours. Why so long? Because this heating melts leftover cocoa solids and sugar crystals, while the constant stirring makes the mixture smoother and finer. When these experts will give a heads up, the chocolate would be loaded into the hoppers to get into shape. The liquid chocolate is poured into molds shaped like bars here. But how do they get it right every time? It's because
Croissant. The everlasting hype about this amazing, delicious delight makes us wonder about the backstage process. So don't just wonder, because you're about to witness the rare sight of croissant's bulk production. Come along, buds. Starting with the application of a generous layer of rich butter is carefully placed on the top of sheeted dough, ensuring it achieves that exquisite, flaky texture that defines its renown. The dough then gets the precise foldings with the help of these incredible laminating machines. That's pretty smooth and satisfying, because the more we watch such satisfying processing, the more our knots get untied. It can be either mental, emotional, or anxious levels. So I suggest you watch this video throughout and let me know if you like that fascinating bulking about to come. This zigzag layering of dough is constructed before making delicious croissants to create even consistent layers. This technique is essential for achieving the light, airy, and crispy quality that results in a uniform texture and crispiness after baking. If you're a croissant lover, you must know it's all about layering the dough in multiple folds, so these machines are quite into it. A single croissant is folded and kept in separate mold to rise and shine in their dedicated space. This definitely makes sure the shape of the croissant is not going overboard. Next, it's their turn to bake in the oven, where their transformation unfolds. Check out that perfect color. They've baked marvelously, right? Special care is taken to ensure they achieve golden perfection without burning. Even the largest ovens nail this mission. After baking, automatic nozzles filled with icing punch the holes into croissants to release trapped steam while filling the croissants with the rich and creamy icing, keeping them irresistible. Now these croissants are ready for packaging. It's amazing to watch the machines effortlessly wrap each one perfectly. It's precision in every move, aiming for perfection. So here's the secret behind creating those vibrant pink-colored raspberry croissants. Just a touch of their signature raspberry mixture is added to each triangle, making them truly worthy of appreciation. So, after this rolling machine works its wonders, the jaw-dropping appearance of these croissants can make anyone eager to try them at least once. Apart from traditional croissants, factories often create variations like lemon-flavored, chocolate, or even various other curled savory options to satisfy diverse global tastes. If you pair chocolate with croissants, what more could anyone crave in the culinary realm? After this machine flawlessly refines the cuts, it sends them to the rolling machine, which skillfully molds them into their classic shape. Just take a look. I am literally drooling. So, a creamy layer has been added to each biscuit, and when another biscuit is sandwiched on top, the cream spreads evenly automatically. Obviously, it's all about that luscious chocolate layering because the combination of cream and chocolate elevates the experience to the next level. My eyes. You must remember these iconic words. Well, that's the first thing I could think of while watching this appetizing video of my favorite bar. Once these automated machines are set up either to shape up or cut this protein sheet into bars, they're often more cost-effective than relying solely on human labor, especially for repetitive jobs. So production rates are always significantly faster with machines, allowing for quicker turnaround times and handling high demand. That chocolate dip in the end was the best part though. I couldn't resist anymore. I'm gonna get one right away. Perfect sieve I have ever seen. It's all about adding those extra touches to ensure everything is just perfect right before adding the hundreds of dozens of eggs. The machines pick up eggs with gentle care and place them on spools. The eggs are then cracked open all automatically, while the yolks are separated from the whites with extreme care. Okay, bud, I didn't spot any errors here. It's just perfect. Check out those molds carrying egg whites separately from the yolks to dry them out as required. With the eggs and icing sugar ready, it's time to make the frosting. Everything goes into this big mixer except powdered sugar. The machine whips it all together to create a smooth, creamy frosting. Now the frosting is spread between each layer of the cake. The machine carefully spreads an even layer of frosting on each slice and then onto the top of the cake to ensure perfectly delicious taste in every bite. Two slices of cake. In between, it spreads a rich, creamy coffee frosting for the perfect coffee flavor you may love. Next, the smart robotic arm adds a smooth layer of coffee frosting on top of the cake. Just look at that even, luscious spread. It's time for the fun part, the designs. These machines dip those beautiful macarons into beautiful chocolatey ornaments. After the frosting bath, every cake gets a unique touch of manual artistry. The macarons are carefully placed around the sides of the cake. If it's your birthday, these machines not only write the special message for you, but also make it look even prettier and delicious. Hey, whose birthday is coming this month? Drop your birth dates in the comment section and I'll make sure to wish you a very happy birthday. Look at these stunning cakes, ready to bring smiles and joy.